My dear friends, welcome to Trending Tube. Friends, my name is Biswa, and in this video I will be showing you a demo of the Ikea milk frother which I purchased from Ikea. So this is the milk frother basically, and I have just boiled the milk and adding some sugar in it, and then I will be showing you how to use the milk frother and make the milk to a frothing texture, basically a silk texture. So you just need to switch on the frother. So you have to put the battery. For battery installation, I've created another video. I'll put that link in the description also, you can check. So while using the milk frother, make sure you are making some space in between. If you are putting directly inside it and then not making any hole on it, air cannot pass inside. So you need to make sure that there is some little bit of space there to pass on the air, so that the air will get mixed into the milk and best frothing texture will be there on the milk itself. So see, the half of the cup milk is right now, you are able to see a complete full cup of milk right now, which is with a silky texture. And yeah, you are able to see all the bubbles also formed in it. Yeah, we will be adding coffee into it. So I have made some coffee from the coffee powder itself, from the CCD powder, and then yeah, I'm just making it. So I'm just pouring on it. I don't know how to create a good texture on it, but I can show you a simple way of making. See the frothing texture, friends. So I am learning how to make good good particular design on top of the coffee. But yeah, this is what is right now I'm able to make. So I'm really enjoying the milk frother, and it is really awesome, friends. So the purchase link, I will provide that in the description section. You can definitely check that to purchase. And yeah, let's enjoy the coffee. It is really good. The frother is good. Even you can make the Starbucks like coffee at home right now. Yeah, thanks for watching, friends. Take care. Bye bye.